Add a countdown element to your page to display something like a coming soon page or an event in the future. Over to the add element section on the left, and we find the countdown element here. Click, hold and drag and drop it in the area where you want it to display. It comes in with some settings from the beginning, and to interact with it, click on it. And the first thing you'll notice are these handles on the left and the right that you can click, hold and drag, and it will reduce the space of the element within the bounding box. Let's go back to the settings at the top, and at the settings you will also see that width we just controlled. You have access to it over here, and you can put it in percentage or within pixels. Then you have styling options and your effects. For the element itself, we go all the way to the left where we see countdown. 3 styles you can choose from, the default, then with the labels on the right, and then no labels. You set your date over here, day first, month second, and then the year. You can also determine the hour at which it will happen, and then set your time zone in the bottom. If you don't need all this data, you can go to advanced and select those that you do not want to display in case you want to free up some space, or you think seconds and minutes is just pushing it a little bit too far. All your styling options in terms of typography is here, and remember, you select between the number and the title up here to style them individually. Your color options as well. But the most important part of this is something that's often overlooked, and that's here at the link function. Link here relates to an action or a redirect. What happens when this countdown comes to an end? Have you ever gone to a website and you've seen a countdown that's at 0? Doesn't look good. It means someone forgot to update the website, and it's important that you try and do something when the countdown finishes. It is set to none, so if you don't make any changes here, it will go down to that 00 and stay there at 00. Alternatively, you can click on hide, and that means the element is removed once the countdown is over, or you can click a show message. This is just a little bit of text that says, great, welcome. The other option that you have is a redirect, and that will take the visitor to another page. If you had some promotion that has come to an end and you want to direct them to the real page of the product, you can put that in here. Remember to go and check it also on tablet and mobile displays to make sure that it looks good there and that it does fit in within those displays, and tweak them where needed.